I am sitting out here in the backyard just relaxing. It is so nice outside. This is the side. This is oh, you heard this noise? This means there is going to be lightning. We have a lightning signal. So I think all this niceness. I've been sitting out there for like half an hour and I've watched the weather change from one thing to the next. The weather changed from nice, and we have all of this coming around. It's getting darker by the minute, so I'm going inside because they have just, you hear that? They have just said that that little alarm you heard was for lightning, so I'm gonna head back inside. It was very nice for half an hour, but that's it. See the sun shining and then lightning gonna happen. So I'm going back inside. For half an hour I've been outside. Now see this. The ladder fall. Take a look. This is what we have now. Like a hurricane coming through. I'm outside. Just slide it on our side. My God, bad weather. It didn't fall on the AC, right? Okay, good. Oh my God, yeah. Just bring it a little closer to the house and that's it. Like this end right here. Oh, no, I'm saying if you can just push it this way and come inside because the weather is like really bad all of a sudden. Oh my God. We having a hurricane. They're not. I'm not sure what happened. I was outside for half an hour and then this is what we have now. You all seen this? Ooh, the trash can fall. This trash can fall. You're good? Close the gate so it doesn't slam and break. I was outside here for half an hour. The ladder fall off the side of the house. Wow. The alarm already went off for the lightning, so I don't know. I don't know if y'all can see. I am out. I'm going to the. I am outside. It is 10:14 p.m. I'm going to pick up my son from work. This is what it just rained a little while ago. It was like a storm was coming through. This is all the stuff you've seen out there. If you've seen it, there's a lightning display out there. But other than that, it's not that bad. The rain stopped, the wind stopped, so it looks fine. It's just nighttime. Nighttime driving. So I'm taking you all along for the little nighttime drive. All this water is up in the road. Oh, that's me singing. Nighttime. All the flashing of lightning is on the south side. Now I'm heading west, so we won't see it. Nighttime driving. The road have a lot of people. The light is green and I need that light. But the road is wet, so I'm making sure I take my time. And the light has changed red. So that's that. I don't know if you can see the flash across the sky. Looks so nice at night. It's not so bright. And it does come out nice. The light shading down there. Missing the light. Oh, I think I caught the lightning. I think I caught the lightning. All of that is lightning. There's lightning dancing all over the sky. We are almost home. Almost home. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Home sweet home. That's lightning in the distance. Got it. All this lightning happening. It is now 9:19. It is it is now 10:19. I'm going to pick up my son again. He's working the late shifts. If you're seeing flashy all over, it's lightning. I'm not looking at the camera at this point. I am looking. I'm not sure this person in front of me is going really slow. The rain has stopped, but I guess they're having a hard time, and it's a lot of lightning. We're having these showers that are passing through. They come by really fast. They come very heavy, very fast, and they're gone. So no rain so far. Thank God there is no rain while I'm going to pick him up. So I am happy with that. Okay, I gotta go, but there are cars that are coming as fast as you can think. They are here. I'll have to wait. I can go. Wow, lightnings are like really bright. These are cars that are speeding. Oh, somebody knocked 3 cones out. Just have lots of lightning. So I am heading out again tonight, and it is 11:11 right now. I'm heading to go pick up my son again. Late shift. It rained and stormed already, so which is a good thing because I'm going out now, so the rain has stopped a little. Nothing, well, very light drizzle in my area now, but there's some tropical depression that is hitting Key West. So I guess we are also getting a little bit of the rain bands every now and then. The rain comes really fast and then it goes away. It was very windy, and now it's looking okay. So the road is wet, but I'm fine. I'm just taking you all on my little trip on the late shift this week. So y'all are my company while I drive to go get him. When I get to pick him up, I will put the camera off. Glad the rain stopped because boy, it was coming down crazy an hour ago, and it was windy. So I was like, oh, I hope he doesn't text and say he's ready, because I'd have to wait until it kind of calmed down. The one good thing is he doesn't work far from home. So 15 minutes to go, 15 minutes to come back, half an hour tops. There is no one on the road here now. It is empty. They look like they get beaten with this rain tonight. Well, I am here to pick him up. I'm trying to avoid the rain, but here it comes. I was trying to avoid the rain. I'm waiting for my son to come out. I guess I was not. The rain is getting stronger. Oh boy. Okay, we're ready to go. Yep, stay here. Oof, all this rain. I'm on my way back. All this water in the road. Oh, it rained. This tropical storm they have. Oh. Trying to stay away from the edge of the road because the water is piling up. Maureen, Maureen. Wow. Yeah, we get dumped on. I mean, it was happening earlier on. It was just pouring and wind. I was like, oh, I'll pick you up when you call, when you text. I was like, perfect, no rain. And now here is rain on the way back. I went to the wiper doing as fast as I can, as fast as it can. And yet still the water is like a lot from one section to the next. Oh, all this water. Okay, slow, 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 slow. Gotta go slow, gotta go slow, gotta go slow. I can see all this water up ahead because all these people cars are splashing water. Okay, the rain is done, but it already did what it had to do over here. I am home safe. Thank you all for coming along.